people who did it now, just donate them. If you like, put 50 kofu. The way they take picking. Try and put money. You don't like Nigeria. You use Nigeria account. You don't like Nigeria. You use your passport. I know it's not the now.
Now, this is the similar thing that he said in the past that made me to follow him. You see, one thing you need to understand is that what he said here is there's sense in that, like you need to be careful how you trend with Nigerian government and all that. And he's from warring part of Biafra land, even though some of them say they are not Biafra. I'm not here to tell you are Biafra when you say you are not. I'm not the guy. Left for me alone. I will follow with. I will go for country. I will. How would I put this? People will not be offended. I will choose Biafra that is only Igbo speaking tribe. If you are speaking Igbo, whether you are in Bayelsa, you are Biafra. Some of you from Riverland will say, "Oh, you are trying to bring segregation." No, we are all human beings. Okay. If you want to join, you really want to knock at the door and stand on your feet and claim that. I don't care if your land is filled with oil and gold. God gave it to you, enjoy it. But I wouldn't want to be a party or one of those that make you feel that you are so important when you are just like me. Because many times when you hear these people talking, we are the one fighting to live together.
How are we all doing? So I am here to do a quick.
And they don't do the same thing. They choose to do what they want to do. We are the one trying to educate them of something they know. That without coming together, as we all share common value system, only language, that we have different language, different dialects, does not mean that you are different from me. But as long as you are waiting for us to push you to come, I'm not interested. I'm not a part of it. This is my own opinion. The sit at home have been going on for how long now? Have they actually just sit at home? What is their take on that? Do you understand what I'm saying? What is their take on that? They all fold hand, waiting for manna to fall from sky. That's why they always want to, say like this guy that I just played his voice now. The only thing Igbo people that are pushing to unify, to bring together, and even promise to, operate confederation system of government, which means that oil, that gold you have is yours. I'm not interested. Use it the way you want. Do the way you feel. Everything you want to do, just do it. For you to feel confident, for you to feel welcome, for you to not feel threatened. As Yorubas have been preaching to them that Igbo men are looking for you to become a Biafra because of your wealth, because of your natural resources. We also have natural resources. There's nothing we are going to lose if we go for our own tribe to become one God. Because it would have been more easy if we choose not to, bring everybody that live in that location or that region together. But if you are Igbo man, you are living in you catch Igbo people and put it in Sokoto, I will catch them out of Biafra. That is just what I would have done. Now, I'm going to play it again before I continue with what I was trying to let us know. There's a voice coming from my channel. What voice is that? How is my video is playing without my... Okay, I think I've done that. Now, let me play it again. For some of you maybe you did not pay close attention to what he was saying. Hear him again. This is a guy called...
I don't understand.
Now listen, wait.